Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Nikki. I'm looking for a new fashion design standard for your mobile phone. Now today, let me introduce one of our new design and very fashion convenient mobile phone standard for you. Okay. Now let's go and to introduce more details about this model standard again. This one, it is the 3-in-1 wireless charger standard. Now let's look at the material. This one made with the high quality ABS material. It provides the robust shape for the standard and with the simple and fashion design. And the specifications of this standard is quite impressive. Support 5V to current, 9V recurrent, and for mobile phone, the output power range it is 15 watts, 10 watts, 7.5 volts, and to 5 volts. For the smartwatch, the output it is 3 watts, and the Headphone output is 5 volts, achieving an efficiency of over 18%. Next, let's introduce the key features of this standard. Firstly, it supports 3-in-1 charging for your mobile phone, smartwatch, and the Headphone, and with the automatic absorption for added convenience. Secondly, this standard with smart control and with an automatic power off feature is saving the energy and ensuring the safety of your device during charging. Finally, this standard with a stunning RGB fantasy light on the bottom here, it adding a colorful visual experience for your desktop. And it is foldable, made easy to carry, ensuring your charging experience is always at your hand. Okay, that is the all information introduction of our this model new standard. Model number D1625. If you are interested in this one, you can feel free to check out the official website below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more details and our update information for the fashion tech standard products. I'm Nikki, and we will see you next time.